Fighter jets, a protector of nation. Did you know the most advanced fighter jets in the world? Today we will see the top 10 fighter jets around the globe. Before we get started, please follow and like our page. We publish video every day. On number 10, F-16 Fighting Falcon. The plane has a maximum speed of Mach 1.2 or 1482 km per hour. It can carry 1000 pounds of bombs. Total 4084 F-16 built for various countries. F-16 price started from 18.8 million US dollar and it cost 7,000 US dollar to 22,470 US dollar per flight. On number 9, F-15 Eagle. It can fly at an altitude of 10,000 meters at maximum speed of 1,650 miles per hour. It is designed by McDonnell Douglas in 1967 and currently manufactured by Boeing. F-15 price started from 27.9 million US dollar and till the date total 1,198 F-15 are manufactured. Saab JAS-39 Gripen is at number 8. The Saab JAS-3 Gripen is single-engine, light multi-role fighter jet designed and developed by Swedish aerospace company Saab. Its price is 30 to 60 million US dollar and till date 271 units are built. The maximum speed is 2,460 km per hour and has 790 gallon fuel capacity. On number 7, the famous Mikoyan MiG-35. First MiG-35 is introduced in 2007 and after various delays it is delivered in 2018. The unit cost 50 million US dollar and a total of 8 planes are made. There are 6 variants of the plane from single and 2 seats, naval and export version. Maximum speed is 2400 km per hour and plane is primarily used by the Russian Air Force. On number 6, Chinese multi-role fighter jet J-10. There are total 468 units are built and a single unit of cost 27.84 million US dollar. The plane has a maximum speed of 2700 km per hour. Heavy duty, long range, multi-role, single-seat fighter jet Sukhoi Su-35 is at number 5. There are a total 124 units are built and a single unit cost 40 to 65 million US dollar. It is primarily used by Russia, China, Indonesia. The fuel capacity is 10,950 pounds and has a maximum speed of 2,400 km per hour. The plane flew to number 4 is Dassault Rafale. Rafale is multi-role fighter developed by Dassault Aviation France. The flyaway cost of the plane is 74 million euro and a total of 201 planes were built. The maximum speed is 2,223 km per hour and maximum fuel capacity is 10,300 pounds. The plane is capable of supercruise at speed of Mach 1.4. The single-seat, single-engine stealth multi-role fighter jet F-35 Lightning II is at number 3. This jet is developed by Lockheed Martin Aeronautics USA. There are a total of 555 units are built for the US Air Force, US Marine Corps and US Navy. It cost 77.9, 94.4 and 101.3 million US dollar according to model. The jet is currently used by UK, Belgium, Australia, Denmark, Greece, Italy, Japan, Norway. The fuel capacity of the plane is 18,250 pound and maximum speed is Mach 1.6. On number 2 is a multinational military collaboration between the UK, Germany, France, Italy and Spain, the Eurofighter Typhoon. The price is 90 million euro and a total of 570 units are built. The fighter jet got power from 2 Eurojet EJ200 after burning turbofan. The maximum speed of the jet is 125 km per hour. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is at number 1 in the list. This is a stealth air superiority fighter and it's virtually invisible to radar. A total of 195 units are built and a unit cost is 150 million US dollar. The fuel capacity is 18,000 pound and 2 600 gal tanks can be attached. Maximum speed of the jet is 2,414 km per hour and it supercruises at Mach 1.82. Which is your favorite fighter jets? Comment below. Stay connected, be updated.